More than 2 years after its groundbreaking, the Bonner Bridge replacement project is steadily building to its anticipated opening to traffic late this year. At the north end of the project, crews have completed almost 75% of the northern approach. Further south, at what will be the bridge's northern incline, crews are steadily driving the pilings and installing the caps for the support structure that will rise to meet the navigation zone. Meanwhile, work on and above the waters of the navigation zone continues as crews steadily construct the 3 remaining spans in the bridge's high-rise. As work on and above the waters of the navigation zone progresses through May, mariners in the area should expect periodical safety zone closures of the existing marine navigation channel and the span south of the main navigation channel for a period lasting up to 2 hours, pending advanced notice from the Coast Guard and NCDOT. An updated list of these closures can be found at ncdot.gov/NC12. At the southern end of the project, crews have completed installation of all land-based girders and are working north to install the columns, caps, and girders that will connect the southern incline to the completed navigation zone structure. Further south, on Pea Island, with the protective rock barrier installed and the old roadway having been removed, crews are wrapping up work on the Captain Richard Etheridge Bridge. Soon, crews will conduct seeding and mulching to stabilize the shoulders and ditches and the area surrounding the bridge, as crews prepare to finish paving and traffic marking efforts later this spring. NCDOT urges motorists in these areas to stay alert, obey posted speed limits, and watch signs for construction information and lane closures. Those traveling the Bonner Bridge should expect daytime lane closures of NC12 Monday through Friday. 1 lane will remain open during these lane closures, however, motorists should allow extra travel time. Mariners in the area of Oregon Inlet should also maintain caution and keep clear of buoys, anchor lines, and barges working on the water. Updates and notifications of any maritime delays can be found via the U.S. Coast Guard's local notice to mariners, broadcast notice to mariners, and marine safety information bulletins. Visit ncdot.gov/NC12 for more information regarding the Bonner Bridge and the Captain Richard Etheridge Bridge construction projects, as well as updates on the area's traffic and travel information.